How to create group chat on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the edit icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, it'll be prompted to the page. Now from here, you can simply tap on the option labeled as group chat. So simply tap on it. And now here, on the next page, you can simply select the people that you want to add on your group. And now here, once you're done selecting that people, then you can simply type or tap on the group name option at the top, and here you can name your group. And here, once you're done naming it, you can just tap on create. And once you do that, the group chat will be created on Facebook Messenger. And that's it. That's how you can create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.